Hello student, today we are going to see first lesson in biology, reproduction in lower and higher plants. In the first part of this lecture, we are going to see asexual reproduction in plant. Reproduction. First see definition of reproduction. Ability of the organism to produce new individual similar to themselves is called as, that is, all living organism produces individual similar like themselves. This ability is called as reproduction. Though organisms are unicellular or multicellular, they shows reproduction. Importance. Reproduction, it is the essential process to continue and maintain the species. It supports the process of evolution. Reproduction transmit the specific hereditary characters from parents to their offsprings. Modes of reproduction. Reproduction is mainly of two types. First one is called asexual reproduction, or this reproduction is also called as apomixis. Asexual reproduction means the reproduction which takes place without the formation and fusion of gamete or nuclei. In this asexual reproduction, gamete formation does not take place, as well as here fusion of gamete does not take place. Second one is called as sexual reproduction, or this reproduction it is also called as amphimixis. The reproduction which takes place by the formation and fusion of gamete is called as sexual reproduction. In this sexual reproduction, generally, that is, gametes are produced, male and female gametes, and after the fertilization, fusion of gamete takes place to form diploid condition. Types of asexual reproduction in lower plant. First type is fragmentation. In Spirogyra, body is filamentous, and when this filamentous algae is broken into its fragments, then each fragment develops into new individual. Means in this fragmentation, asexual reproduction, entire filaments can be divided into two or more parts, and each part have ability to develop a new individual. Second method is called as budding, especially in yeast. If we see, the parent cell divides and produces two unequal cells, which are also called as the buds. These buds remain attached to the parent cell. Then these buds get separated and matures as a new individual. Third method is called as zoospore formation. In Chlamydomonas, motile zoospores are produced, and with help of this motile zoospore, new individuals are produced. Another methods of asexual reproduction in plants, one which is called as the binary fission, especially occurs in amoeba, paramecium, and etc. In this binary fission, single cell divides into two daughter cells, and these two daughter cells acts as a new individual. Second one, that is conidia formation in penicillium. In penicillium, non-motile spores, which are called as conidia, are produced, and from this conidia new individuals are produced. Another one, in sponges, gemmules are formed, and with the help of the gemmules, that is, new individuals are produced. Vegetative reproduction, especially in higher plants like that of the angiosperm, asexual reproduction takes place by vegetative method. In this vegetative reproduction, new plants are produced with help of any vegetative parts of the plant. This vegetative part is like root, stem and leaf. This root, stem and leaf like vegetative part, it is used to produce new entire plant in angiosperm. Especially in this vegetative reproduction, the plants which are produced, these are genetically identical or genetically similar with each other. In this vegetative reproduction, that is vegetative parts of the plant which are used, it is called as propagule. That is the part which is used to produce the entire plant. In this vegetative reproduction, this part, it is called as the propagule. Methods of artificial vegetative propagation. First method, it is called as the cutting method. In this cutting, that is small piece of the plant organ which shows to or more bird, it is used for the propagation. This artificial vegetative method, which it is the cheapest one, simplest and used to produce plants artificially by vegetative propagation. In this cutting method, the plant part which are used to produce new entire plant, these cutting are classified as root cutting, stem cutting and leaf cutting. Means when stem piece is used to produce new entire plant, at that time it is called as the stem cutting. When root like part it is used to produce the entire plant, at that time it is called as the root cutting. And when leaf is used to produce new entire plant, at that time it is called as the leaf cutting. There are some examples of these root, stem and leaf cuttings. First, stem cutting, example rose, bougainvillea. Leaf cutting, sansevieria, and in root cutting, blackberry. These are the examples of the plants which are propagated with the help of grafting. It is the another method of vegetative propagation. In this method, that is two plant parts are artificially combined to grow a single plant. In this technique, the two plant parts which are used are called stalk and scion. The plant on which grafting is done is called as stalk, and the plant part which is inserted on the stalk is called as scion, or it is also called as a graft. Here, this grafting technique, it is successful due to the cambium cell. Means successful grafting is dependent upon the union of the cambium cell. Another one, here, that is budding. It is also called as grafting. Here in this budding, only one is also one of the grafting, in which only one bud is joined on the stalk. For example, apple, pears and roses. Means here if we see in this technique, that is these two plant parts like that of the stalk and science are used, and this stalk and science, these are artificially combined to produce new entire plant. Third technique, which is called as the tissue culture, which is the recent technique. In this technique, that is small part of the plant, it may be cell, tissue or any organ, it is used to produce plants by the tissue culture technique. Here micropropagation, it is the method which are used nowadays to produce many various asexual methods of reproduction in lower and higher plants. Homework: describe different methods of asexual reproduction in lower plants. Write a note on cutting, grafting. Thank you.